Have you ever felt lost and disconnected from nature or from any deeper sense of being? You're not alone. Modern life often pulls us away from natural rhythms and into autopilot. Modern life does not honor natural cyclical living, which is absolutely essential for our well being. This disconnection affects us on physical, emotional, psychological, and spiritual level too. We are part of nature, and nature is part of us. Therefore, reconnecting with nature is the simplest and most effective solution. It makes you feel grounded with a deep sense of belonging. In nature, we feel held, nurtured, and nourished. There's a good reason why we call her Mother Nature. So, how do we connect with nature in a meaningful way? Well, we can start with very small steps. Remember when you were a child, curious about nature, using all your senses to immerse yourself in it? Let's bring that feeling back. On your next walk in nature, collect some little treasures, feathers, stones, bark, or find a new nature space and explore it. Use all your senses to experience the space in its glory. You can even be barefoot if you're comfortable with that. Also, I have created a free guide for you. It's called Whispers of the Earth, and this guide offers you a 5-minute practices to reconnect you with the nature's elements of air, space, fire, water, and earth. There is a link in the description below, and I hope you find it useful. And if this resonates with you, watch the next video. I will be sharing some thoughts and tips on how to reconnect with your heart and your spiritual path. There's a link in the description to my next video. I'll see you there.